Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up long division. First, identify your dividend and divisor. The dividend is the number you are dividing, and the divisor is the number you are dividing by. You will place the dividend inside the long division symbol, which looks like a bracket with a bar over it. Then, position the divisor outside, to the left of this symbol. This initial arrangement is crucial for a smooth calculation process. The long division symbol is a key visual element. It looks like a right parenthesis with a horizontal bar extending over the top. This unique shape serves to clearly separate your dividend, which goes inside, from your divisor, placed outside. It also provides a designated space above the dividend where you will write your quotient or the answer to your division problem. This structure is essential for keeping your work organized. Let's use an example to solidify the placement. If your problem is to divide 125 by 5, you would write 125 inside the long division symbol. Then, you would place the number 5 to the left of that symbol. This specific arrangement is not arbitrary. It sets up the visual framework necessary for you to systematically perform the division steps and find your answer. Before you begin calculating, double-check that all your numbers are neatly aligned. It is also important to leave sufficient space above the dividend. This area is reserved for writing your quotient digits as you solve the problem. A well-organized setup with clear spacing significantly reduces errors. Once everything is in place, you are ready to start the actual division, working from the leftmost digit of your dividend.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.